Good morning. I'm just going to quickly take you through today's lesson and what you're going to do. So today or tomorrow, you are going to write one research finding paragraph using evidence, reasoning, and appropriate transition words. So what I will have you do over the course of this week is finish all of your research finding paragraphs, which is 3 in total. So today you'll complete 1, and next class you'll complete 2, and 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3. You're first going to watch the lesson introduction, which will be right here. Then you're going to complete a no red ink exercise on transition words. If you do not have access to no red ink or do not have an account, click on this link right here where it says click here to join the no red ink class, and it will let you join. And make sure to do the one on transition words. Then you'll watch a tutorial on how you write a research finding paragraph, and it's basically just a body paragraph about a research finding in your essay. And then after you complete that, you'll complete the exit reflection. So what you'll see is on this final slide is an example of a research finding paragraph. There are examples of the same guiding questions that are in your outline, and then an example of what your research finding paragraph could be, and a checklist. And then finally, there's a video here on how I wrote mine. You need to make sure that you have this on present mode when you are putting on this video, and then this will take you through, it's a hey everyone's video that takes you through how to write your research findings. So I'm just going to go back to this quickly. Just a reminder that this work is in your research essay outline in Google Classwork. So how you'll get there is if you go to Google Classwork, and go to your research essay outline. I will have returned in all of your work so far, and you do not have to turn in today. So what you'll do is you'll click on the 5556 link, and you'll see that it says you do not have to turn it in. You'll turn it in on Friday, which means you need to make sure, or I'll just go over this in a second, but this same checklist that's on the slides is here. You need to complete this no red ink, watch the tutorial on how to write the research findings paragraph, and use the pre-evidence organizer to write your research finding. And if you need help, these are all different things that you can use to help you. And then finally, you need to complete the exit reflection. So you need to complete the exit reflection and the no red ink in order to get habit grade credit for class today. So make sure that you complete both, and you do not need to turn this in. But if you do not complete it today, then you'll have to do it next class. So this is your work for the day. If you have any questions, please email me or text me. And my contact information is here. If you want to come to office hours, they're at 1:30 every day, and the link is here. And just make sure that you do every single one of these 3 tasks. It's really just do no red ink, watch the tutorial, complete your research finding paragraph, and complete the exit reflection.